Good morning everyone. This is Sakshi Jain of Standard 7th from St. James Senior Secondary School. My drawing topic is education after COVID-19. As you can see in my drawing that the girl is sitting in her home while studying, and you can see that outdoor is not safe for her because of coronavirus or COVID-19. My drawing is showing the impact that people have fear in their heart that outdoor is not safe. That's why they prefer studying at home. Maybe after some time corona will end, but people definitely have fear in their heart that they will get infected. Some state government still don't provide permission for offline classes for every coaching or school. That's why people need to study at home after coronavirus. Thank you so much.
Good morning to everyone present here. Today, myself Urvashi Shukla from class 7C going to represent my drawing. So you can see I have divided my painting into two parts. One is of online classes where students are taking classes with different devices, while on the other side you can see that the monster coronavirus can attack us on any time. So we should remember that we have to keep wearing mask, apply sanitizer and maintain social distancing. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.
Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, I am Chitranshi Katia of class 7C and I have drawn this painting on the topic education after COVID-19. In this painting, I have drawn a solar system. Inside our solar system, there is one circle. What does this circle represent? This circle represents our Earth. Inside the Earth, there is one house in which a student is doing online classes on Microsoft Teams, and on the other hand, she is writing with her pencil on her notebook. Like that, there are several of students inside the Earth who are doing online classes. Thank you and have a nice day.
Everyone, myself Aryanshi Singh from class 7C. In this painting, I have divided the chart into two parts. In first part, I have showed the education before the COVID-19, and in second part, I have showed the education after COVID-19. And in second part, on the right hand side, I have showed that teacher is teaching through online classes, and on the other hand side, I have showed that student is studying from home, and I also tried to show that how much pattern is changed after COVID-19.
Good morning all of you. Today I am Kartavya Dwivedi of class 7B is going to explain my painting. I should say that firstly that there is corona these days, so we cannot go to school, and that is why we are studying in the online classes. And my painting shows that there is a girl that is sitting in front of a computer screen to attend the online classes. Our teachers are doing very hard work to teach us. We should thankful for the teachers that they are teaching in the corona pandemic also. At last, I want to say that wear mask, use sanitizer and maintain social distancing. Thank you and have a nice day.
My name is Saksham Tiwari from class 7B. I am going to tell what I have drawn. I have made a painting of online classes and offline classes. Before COVID-19, the classes were offline and they were very creative. Students were very interested in that because they were practicals, etc. But now the classes are online and they are not good for students because there are problems of not understanding things, concepts, etc. So these were my views on education after COVID-19. Thank you.
Morning principal, teachers and all my dear friends. Today I am Kavya Singh from class 7B going to describe the concept and the purpose of my drawing. So the topic of my drawing is education after COVID-19. So as you know that before COVID-19 we go to school, play there, learn there and do many activities. But after COVID-19 all the school and colleges are closed. So the online classes are being conducted. So our teachers are also doing very hard work from their respective homes. So by this topic I have made my drawing. So this is a drawing which I have made. This is before COVID-19 and this is after COVID-19. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good morning. Myself Nitra Pandey from class 7th B. I have taken part in painting competition and my topic is education after COVID-19. First I want to tell you what is the meaning of online classes. Online classes is the course conducted by internet. So now I am going to explain my painting which I have made. So in my painting there is a student attending her online classes with her laptop with this requirement things like books, lamp and pencil case and other stuff she needed. So that is all in my drawing that I have made. So thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, all of you, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today I am Arjit Khatia of class 7B is here to tell you about my drawing. In my drawing, it is shown that the education after COVID-19 is the online education. It is also shown that the teacher is teaching online and the students are learning online. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello everyone, greetings of the day. So today I am Vavi Somanshi of class 7B from St. James School and today I am going to tell you about my painting whose topic is education after COVID-19. So as you can see I have made two parts. One part shows school life which was before COVID-19 and the other part shows online life which is going on in this corona pandemic. So as you can see here I have made a school, one girl going to schools, some children playing football and some children riding swings. And on the other hand you can see I have made cages which seems to be like students' house these days. So as you can see one girl is learning online, one boy is taking online classes and one girl is playing online games. So I want to, at last but not the least, I want to say that I am really missing my St. James School. And yes, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
I am Kavya Gupta, studying class 7B from St. James School. Today I made the drawing on the topic education after COVID-19. Due to corona pandemic, the whole world was in the lockdown. So we were not allowed to go to any public place. As a way, we were not allowed to go to the schools. So the school has introduced the application Zoom, GeoMeet, Microsoft Teams and Skype, etc. The children, those who were going to the coachings or their tutors comes at the home to teach them, now they are using Byju's, Vedantu, Whitehead Junior and other applications. We all are doing all the work either on mobile or on laptop. We children and elders get their eyesight weak. Arogya Setu helps us by telling whether our neighbors are infected from corona or not. But the year 2020 was in lockdown. Lockdown provides us many memorable moments, such as we found our joys, we burgeon our skills, we achievements our bonds, like we spend more time with our family, our parents plays with us, our parents remember their childhood, we innovated connectivity, we empowered prisoners, we reinvited ourselves. This corona pandemic will be a historical event. for all of us and ever rememberable. This new decade has come, which is 2021. It has come with the third stage of corona, which is come from Britain. These all features I have shown in my drawing. Thank you.